Why should you back up your smartphone?
Backing up your smartphone protects your photos, contacts, apps, and settings in case your device is lost, stolen, or damaged. With a recent backup, you can easily restore your information to a new device or after a reset. Cloud backups offer convenience and extra security, ensuring your important data is not lost if something happens to your phone.
What do I need to start a backup?
You'll need a reliable internet connection and a cloud account, such as Google for Android or Apple iCloud for iPhone. Make sure your device is fully charged or plugged in, and check that you have enough cloud storage for your data. Most phones come with basic cloud backup options already built in and simple to activate.
How do you back up an Android phone to the cloud?
On most Android phones, open Settings, tap on Google or Accounts and Backup, then select Backup. Turn on the option for backing up your data to your Google account. This will save app data, call history, device settings, photos, and more. To make sure photos and videos are included, enable Backup in the Google Photos app.
How do you back up an iPhone to iCloud?
On an iPhone, open Settings. Tap your name at the top and select iCloud. Tap iCloud Backup and turn it on. Then, tap Backup Now to start the process. This saves your photos, app data, settings, and more to iCloud. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, as backups may be large and could use a lot of data.
What else should I know about cloud backups?
Regular backups are important. Set your phone to back up automatically if possible. Keep your cloud account secure with a strong password and two-factor authentication. Remember, free cloud storage may be limited, so you might need to manage space or consider upgrading. Review your backup settings to make sure everything important to you is included.